Hi guys, I hope that you're all really well. Alors, salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. So, I've received a message which has kind of made me feel a bit guilty. Which is shocking because I've got no sense of personal shame or guilt. Alors, j'ai reçu un message qui m'a culpabilisé un peu. Ouais. And so, I have always had lots of support from Australia. Donc, j'ai toujours eu beaucoup de soutien de l'Australie. From the beginning of my career, depuis le début de ma carrière. Um, you know, thank you for supporting. Thank you for your support. Merci pour votre soutien. Thank you for having supported me. Merci de m'avoir soutenu. And I've worked with lots of Australians. Alors, j'ai travaillé avec beaucoup d'Australiens. But obviously, the time difference makes it a bit difficult. Évidemment, le décalage horaire le rend un peu difficile. So, at the moment, I'm working with a fair amount of Australians. En ce moment, je travaille avec pas mal d'Australiens. We've got my boy Nick, who's absolutely flying. Il déchire. We've got Chris, who is just on a level of his own for vocabulary and accuracy, just absolutely, a really, really capable student. We've got Paul, who's a lawyer, who's got 5 languages on the go. We've got Alex, who will do exactly what I tell him to do. He's very obedient. Il est très obéissant. So they're all good guys. And I've had lots of Australians over the years. Pendant nos années, j'ai eu beaucoup d'Australiens. But enough about my private life. So the problem is that, as you know, at the moment, I'm doing live classes on Zoom. They're on YouTube, but they're also on Zoom on a Sunday. Alors, le problème, c'est qu'en ce moment, comme vous savez tous très bien, je donne les cours sur Zoom dimanche en direct. And I kind of have to make a choice. Il faut que je choisisse. So, do I kind of try and include America? Est-ce que j'essaie d'inclure les États-Unis? Or do I kind of do it earlier and then include Australia? Alors, est-ce que je commence plus tôt pour pouvoir inclure l'Australie? And I suppose there would be a kind of ideal time where it would be early for America and late for Australia. Je suppose que l'heure idéale serait enfin, un peu tôt pour les États-Unis, un peu tard pour l'Australie. But that's kind of in the middle of my weekend when I'm having lunch. So, mais ça, enfin, tu vois, c'est tout au milieu de la journée et enfin, je suis en train de déjeuner. So I'd rather not. Je préfère pas. So in other words, I feel bad. Je m'en veux. Je m'en veux. I want myself over it. So I just want to say to my little Australians that I love you very much. Okay? I love you very much. And so I'm going to try and offer you something on Zoom. So have a little listen to this message. We had a message from, écoutez bien ce message. We had from Carol. Carol Gorgie, I believe the name is pronounced. Hi Luke, I watch your YouTube and have previously purchased your vocab and grammar podcasts, which are still available and are still half price. Which are excellent! Exclamation mark. Well done, Carol. I'm interested to purchase. I've never used that language. I'd always say I'm interested in purchasing, but there we go. I'm interested to purchase your one-to-one classes podcast. Fine. Also, Luke, do you do Zoom meetings at a time other than 8 p.m. on Sundays? I'd love to join the Zoom meetings, but Perth, Australia, is 7 hours ahead, making the time 3 a.m. I know I can watch the meeting later, but it would be fun to join in live too. I cried after reading it. J'ai pleuré après l'avoir lu. I cried. I thought of little Carol. J'ai pensé à petite Carole, all alone, toute seule, without the possibility of a Zoom meeting with a capable teacher, sans la possibilité d'une réunion sur Zoom avec un prof capable. It touched me. Ça m'a touché. I was moved. J'étais très ému. I felt bad. J'avais mal au cœur. So I decided to send out a little message to all my Australians, saying, basically, I'm sorry for Tom Hardy as Mad Max. And secondly, let me know underneath this video, alors merci de me faire savoir en dessous de cette vidéo, what would work for you guys. So at the moment, we have lockdown. Évidemment, en ce moment, c'est le confinement. less and less, enfin de moins en moins, but obviously a lot of people are working from home. Évidemment, il y a beaucoup de personnes qui bossent enfin, à la maison, chez eux. So, I guess in theory, a weekend would be good. Je suppose on théorie le weekend, but you know, that would, yeah. So I kind of wanted to know what time you're prepared to come. J'aimerais bien savoir à quelle heure vous êtes prête à venir. So for example, my 9 a.m. on a Saturday or a Sunday would obviously be fantastic for you because 9 plus 9, do you see what I'm saying? It would be, or 7 or 8 or however, wherever you are in Australia. En fonction de la zone, according to the zone, selon la zone, that would be great for you. Ça serait fantastique pour vous. But Lukey works hard and he likes to sleep. The weekend. Alors, Luc, il travaille beaucoup. Il aime bien dormir un peu. Il aime bien un peu de dodo. He likes a bit of sleep on the weekend. He likes a little bit of a lie. Il aime bien faire la grasse mat. Also, on a personal level, I have to speak to my 5-year-old, you know, the night before. Au niveau personnel, il faut que je parle avec ma petite de 5 ans la veille, so that makes it difficult to get up really early. Ça le rend difficile. So, just let me know generally in comments underneath what would kind of work for you. What time you'd be kind of prepared to come during the week. So if you could just literally put Monday/Friday, the hours that you could do, and you know, weekend or Saturday, the hours you could do, Sunday, just literally, so like something like Monday, and if you could put it in London time, okay? Alors si vous pourriez l'écrire, heure locale, heure anglaise, all right? Local time in London. À Londres, that would just really help me. So I'll say that again. Can you write the times that you could do this in English time so that I don't have to calculate the time zones, all right? So yeah, so let me know and I will organize a Zoom thing. It might not be every week, might be every 2 weeks, it just depends. Yeah, ça se peut que ce soit pas chaque semaine, ouais, toutes les 2 semaines, but I'd like to get an Aussie class going. This class will be reserved for Australians. Alors, ce cours sera réservé aux Australiens. It will just be for you. It's yours. C'est le vôtre. All right? So let me know underneath here. Don't worry about emailing me. Just let me know in the comments underneath here. Okay? And we will organize something as soon as possible. Okay? Et on peut prévoir quelque chose aussitôt que possible. Because I've always just had the best time working with Australians, really. Do you know what I mean? I've had so much support. I've got my lovely friend Claire, who's always been a loyal student. So yeah, so if you could let me know, Australians. I know how much you love the Queen. I know, je sais très bien que vous aimez la reine. I know, I more than understand that Prince Charles, it's a bit of an unknown quantity. We will still love you. On vous aimera toujours if you decide. Because I'm a bit like, well, there's a portrait of the Queen in a load of town halls in Australia. Il y a un portrait de la reine. Beaucoup d'hôtels de ville en Australie. But the poor buggers can't come here for more than 18 months unless you've got an ancestral visa. And trust me, most people in Britain hate the situation. That if you were from somewhere unconnected with us, that you could come. But if you're from Australia, where we have a rich history, on a une histoire riche, on a une riche histoire, if you're being a little bit more political. So forgive us this. Really. We understand all of this. On comprend tout. And I would like to resolve this. I'd like to pay this debt. I would like to solve the situation. J'aimerais bien résoudre la situation in offering you a little bit of free Zoom time. En vous offrant un peu de temps sur Zoom gratos. Okay? So, if you could write underneath, that would be fantastic. Not Macha, because she's not working hard enough in the private classes. She's Australian as well, but I'm not going to include her because she's too lazy. Good. Elle est trop paresseuse, elle est trop feignante. All right then, loads of love, guys. Love to Australia. Let me know as soon as possible. All right? So we can organize something. Okay? Dites-moi aussitôt que possible. Okay, take care.